This is a bottle rocket. And I can remember spending hours with my dad creating the best rocket that I could just to see how high they could fly. But I'm a grown up now and I just want to make things that go high, go fast, and I just want to see what we can do with this idea. So I wonder what we can do with a bottle rocket. Now, although I spent a lot of time as a kid making bottle rockets, I've never actually made a bottle rocket launcher myself. Well, until that one. And I just made that one to see if I could do it. So I guess the question is now, how can we make this better? So there's a few ways I think we can make this better already. First being take this bottle rocket that I've already made, get rid of manual labor, add an extra rocket, and then we'll put an air compressor and a battery pack on the side so the whole thing is portable. That's right, we're making a portable rocket launcher. Well, a bottle rocket launcher. But first things first, we need some parts. So once I glued all the PVC together and added the bottle locking mechanism, it was time to finally test if this bottle rocket actually fired bottles. This is the test of the bottle rocket at 40 PSI. And it worked first time. Definitely didn't need to spend hours trying to get the seals right so that there wouldn't be any air leaks. Anyway, that was only half the job done, because this thing is not portable. And that's what this is for. This is a 12-volt air compressor that's designed to run off of your car. So I pulled the guts out of it and put it in a 3D printed box and attached this to a 3000 milliamp hour battery pack that I found online. And then after a paint job, bam, portable. Now we just have to figure out if this thing actually works. So this is the first test. Not sure how it's gonna go. I'm gonna get wet. Okay, this is test 1 at 50 PSI. We'll try to do one at a time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That didn't actually go that far. Ah! Ah! I didn't think this through. So it works. Now onto the rockets. Okay, so I think there's two types of rockets. There's the rockets that go up, and then there's the rockets that don't go up. First, we're going to test the rockets that go up. Then we can test its destruction power later. And somehow it also looks like something out of a cartoon. Okay. So how high can this thing go? Well, I tested it out in the field and I got so many different results, but I think that was mainly because of the different rockets that I used and the way that they were balanced and aligned. I think it's actually quite fitting that this whole thing has come back down to rocket design and not actually how good the launcher can be. With all that said, we did actually get some really good launches, with a maximum flight time of about 7 seconds, which equates to about 60 meters high, or an initial speed of about 120 kilometers per hour. Yeah! But that's enough science, you want destruction. Let me show you how much damage this thing can do. You never want to point anything like this at someone, and I'll show you why. 2, 1. Oh. You wouldn't want that hitting you. There is a downside to this. I'm soaked. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was a disappointment. Although this watermelon seems to be completely immune to my rocket launcher, I think I know something that's not. That's better. I was really needing a win after, well, this. 1, 1. I'm done. I'm done. All in all, I think this was a really fun project and I just broke it, so I guess that's the end of my day. All in all, I think it's a really fun project to just make your own bottle rocket, see what you can do, see what different effects have on it. Go experiment. Do this yourself if you want to. Just don't shoot it at anyone. That would be dangerous. And thanks for watching. If you're like me, you want to see more, so why don't you go check out another one? But you don't have to, honestly, just enjoy.